And 10 deadly storms moved across Mississippi Saturday, leaving behind a trail of damage. A tornado struck Tylertown in Walthall County. One resident capturing the moment the twister touched down. Montana Lee posted video of the tornado that our chief meteorologist David Hartman says was at least an EF3. Lane lives near the Paradise Ranch RV resort. It was severely damaged. Trees snapped, power lines down, and RVs flipped over. Also in Walthall County, at least 3 people have been killed, including 2 adults and a juvenile. One person also reported missing this morning. 16 WAPT's Bethel Miles reports shows us the damage.
Paradise Ranch RV Resort out here in Walthall County. Take a look at all this damage out here.
Cracking, ran in the bathrooms, hid, and came back, and this is the devastation you see.
This couple surviving a catastrophic storm that tore an RV resort to pieces.
I've never been through something like that in my life.
Still in disbelief after tornadoes ripped through southern Mississippi.
I'm gonna tell you something, when they say those tornado warnings, you have really got to listen to that.
Oh!
10 minutes up the street.
Oh, Lord.
DJ and his pops tell me they couldn't believe their eyes.
My car!
And then you look out front
and see the world looking like it's finna end.
His pops was reading the Bible when that tornado pulled up to their doorstep.
We had never seen that type of wind or trees in this area. We've seen it on TV, of course, but not, you know, in our front yard like this.
And just like a movie.
Wayne Reed done came out. Roof done came out.
It sounds like 100 Amtrak trains going 100 miles an hour.
It's time for the second act.
We're just out here trying to help people get trees off their houses and their campers and their cars and make sure ain't nobody hurt and get everybody out safe.
And fall in action.
But we're fine. We're fine. That's all that matters to me. We're fine. I cried a little bit, but we're fine.
In Walthall County, I'm Bethel Miles, 16 WAPT News.
And over in Pike County, emergency management crews spent hours assessing damage and cleaning up roadways. Some homes were reported destroyed. 16 WAPT's Brooklyn Joyner spoke with storm survivors dealing with the aftermath.
There's a lot of trees down. Now, where we were at the house, I don't know, about a mile from here, we knew there was a tornado because our ears started popping.
Saturday, James Hall of Pike County recounts the moment a storm pushed through his community. He says he's been living here all his life, but he never saw anything this severe.
There's been smaller tornadoes, but nothing like this.
The Pike County Emergency Management Team was overwhelmed with damage, having to call in backup from surrounding counties.
We've had reports of homes damaged, homes destroyed out in the southeast part of the county. Some of the other fire departments have gone to help them because it's a lot.
This family's home in Pike County is in complete ruins. The back side of the home has completely collapsed. And then if you look at the yard, you can see their belongings are just scattered everywhere. There's even metal sheets that wrap themselves around the tree. One woman sheltered inside of this home while the storm rolled through, walking away without a scratch. She was too shaken up to share her experience on camera, but community members have already started taking steps to help her.
I just want to make sure that we help as many folks as we could possibly help. This is our community.
Pastor Willie Gallagher of Greater Ebenezer Baptist Church in Louisiana immediately drove into his hometown ready to assist.
The church that I'm pastoring, I'm going to ask them to do something to donate some things to the community to be able to help, and I want to assist whomever I can. If someone I find is in need of anything, I want to ask them to give.
Residents say all they can do now is clean up, move forward, and be grateful.
Luckily, no one was injured, just a lot of property damage and cleanup.
Reporting from Pike County, Brooklyn Joyner, 16 WAPT News.
And emergency officials reporting at least 2 injuries in Pike County during the storm. Issaquah County is among 21 counties that have damage reported from Saturday storms. Roads were impassable in the Grace area in Issaquah. You can see homes were also damaged and a possible tornado touching down, and there are no reported injuries in that Delta County. An apartment complex in LaFleur County received storm damage. This is an apartment in Greenwood. Debris was thrown across the yard as the powerful winds swept through the community. The roof also sustained heavy damage. Governor Tate Reeves posted on X that he has signed a state of emergency in the wake of the storms. Governor writing that it allows us to further mobilize assets and better support response and recovery efforts in the counties affected by storms. The governor said damage assessments are now underway.